Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to erase a Moveset in JJS. First, understanding why you might want to reset is key for strategic play. Erasing your current Moveset offers a blank slate, letting you experiment with new abilities and combinations. This process ensures you can adapt your character to evolving gameplay or personal preferences, giving you complete control over your combat style. Once you have loaded into the JJS game world, your first step is to open the main menu. Typically, you will press the M key on your keyboard to bring up this interface. For console players, this might be the Select or Options button. This crucial menu acts as your central hub for all character management, including your combat abilities and progression. From the main menu, carefully navigate through the displayed options. You should find a section clearly labeled Character or possibly Abilities. Click on this to proceed to your character's detailed profile. Within this new screen, locate and select the option that directly relates to your Moveset, which often appears as Moveset Management or Combat Styles. Now, within the Moveset Management interface, you will clearly see an option labeled Erase Moveset. Before clicking, understand that this action is irreversible once confirmed. After selecting it, a confirmation pop-up will appear, typically asking, "Are you sure you want to erase your current Moveset?" Take a moment to review this warning message, ensuring you are ready to proceed with the reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.